How's it going, guys? It's Joshua from Motivao Online Instructors. Today I'm gonna be doing the integral from -2 to 1 of the greatest integer function of 2x. Okay, and this 2x, even though it looks simple, it's gonna change a lot in how we do this type of integral. Okay, so let's go straight to the definition like always. The integer of f of x equals m if and only if m is less than or equal than f of x less than m plus 1. Now here f of x equals 2x. Okay, now let's go to our table. Like always, I'm going to start in the interval for x with the lowest value, -2. And I'm going to stop here. Now, to -2, what do f of x, how can I change, or what happens to x when I have f of x? Well, f of x is 2x, right? So that means that this x is being multiplied by 2. So we start in the interval by 4. Now, we always want m plus 1, so this has to be -3. But how do I get -3 from x? If I multiply by 2, well, x must be then -3/2. So you see, the x doesn't need to be an integer. The only thing that needs to be an integer is f of x. Okay, here the value is -4. Now let's keep with the procedure. This again is going to be -3/2 less than or equal than x less than what? Well, this is -3, 2x, and this has to be -2. But how do we get -2 from x? Well, we have to multiply by -1/2. -1. Okay? So that's how we get 2, multiplying by 2, by -1. Okay, and now here the value is -3. Now let's continue here. So this is -2 less than or equal than 2x less than -1. -1 less than or equal than x less than what? How do I get -1? Well, we have to multiply by -1/2. Okay, so, and here the value is -2. So let's keep going. -1 less than or equal than 2x less than 0. Again, this is -1/2 less than or equal than x and less than, well, 0. That's how we get 0. Now we keep going, because remember, the last term is going to be in the x, in the limit. So 0 less than or equal than 2x less than 1, and 0 less than or equal than x less than 1/2. Okay, and this value is 0. So let's keep going. Now we go from 1 less than or equal than 2x less than 2, and 1/2 less than or equal than x less than 1, because 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So that's our last term. So you see how different it's been changing the x's with respect to f of x. Okay, and our value here is 1. So now we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different integrals with these new intervals. Okay, so let's do that. So we have the integral from -2 to -3/2 of 2x plus -3/2 -1 2x from -1 to -1/2 2x -1/2 to 0 2x plus 0 to 1/2 2x and 1/2 to 1 of 2x. Okay, and now we can substitute for each interval the values in this column. So it's gonna be equal to the integral from -2 to -3/2 of minus 4 dx minus 3/2 minus 1 of -3 minus 1 to minus 1/2 of -2 minus 1/2 to 0 of 0 and 0 to 1/2. Yeah, I'm missing one value here. This is -1, so this is -1 here. Okay, so we got -1 in this one. From 0 to 1/2 is 0, plus 1/2 to 1 of 1 dx. So we have all of these integrals to solve now. Okay, now this is equal to what? -4x evaluated from -2 to -3/2 plus -3x evaluated from -3/2 to -1 plus -2x evaluated from -1 to -1/2, -1x from -1/2 to 0, 0x from 0 to 1/2 plus 1x from 1/2 to 1. Okay, and now we substitute -4 times -3/2 plus 2 plus -3 times -1 plus 3/2 plus -2 times -1/2 plus 1 plus -1 times 0 plus 1/2 plus 1 times 1 minus 1/2. Okay, now this becomes what? -4. 4 plus -3 is 1, 1/4. -3. This is 2 plus 3, 1, 1/2. -2. This is -1/2 plus 1. This is 2. So this is 1/2. One-half plus 3. Oops. Plus 1/2. Okay. This becomes -1 minus 3/2 minus 1 minus 1/2 plus 1/2 equals -2 minus 3/2. This cancels out, so we get 4 minus 3 is -7/4. Oops, halves. And that's our answer, guys. Thanks for watching, and please watch us at motivao.com.